everybody! Welcome to Finance, the only channel that teaches you how to make money without actually using your brain. Before we start swimming in our coin pool, hit that button down there. No, not the button that ejects you from the power plant, the subscribe button. Okay, today we're going to talk about something Lisa was reading from a boring book. Money laundering. No, Marge already did my laundry this week. Money laundering is different. It's when some wise guys, kinda like Bart, when he tries to hide a bad report card, take dirty money and make it look clean. See, dirty money is cash you get from, let's say, borrowing Flanders' lawnmower forever, or selling stuff you're not supposed to. It's illegal cash. The problem is, you can't just walk into the quick E-Mart and buy a million squishies with a giant bag of money labeled stoled. People are gonna notice, and maybe Chief Wiggum. You gotta make that money look like you earned it, honest, like by sleeping at your work desk. So, how do these crooks do it? It's a 3-step trick, like eating a 6-pack of donuts. Step 1, the placement. This is a fancy word for hiding the evidence. Instead of carrying one giant pile of cash, pats his own belly, like a giant pile of pork chops. Break it into little pieces. Like, they put a little bit in this bank, a little bit in that bank. Or they buy a business that loves cash, like a lemonade stand. What if Lisa's stand said it sold 10,000 lemonades in one night, but really she only sold 3 to that idiot Flanders? The rest is the dirty money mixed in. Sneaky. Step 2, the layering. This is where it gets confusing. This is where they scramble the money. They move it around faster than I run when Marge says, "The beer is gone!" They send the money to another guy. They send it to another country. They buy a car, then they sell the car. They create a fake company like Homer's Nap Consultants Incorporated. The company doesn't do anything. It just shuffles the money around. It's like trying to follow a donut crumb trail after I've been in the living room. That's way too much work just to hide money. Oh, you could have just earned it by taking a good nap at the console. Step 3, the integration. Homer rubs his hands together. Yeah, this is when the money is all scrubbed clean. It looks legit. The dirty money now looks like it came from your paycheck. Now the bad guy can buy whatever he wants. A big house, a fancy car, maybe even one of those high-tech barbecue grills that Flanders has. Everybody looks and says, "Wow, that guy's a success. He must be really smart." But really, he's just wearing clean pants over his dirty underwear. But here's the kicker. The cops, they're not as dumb as, well, me. They follow the money. It takes time, but they sniff it out. Like Maggie finding her pacifier, no matter where I hide it. And when they catch you, BAM! They take everything. The house, the car, the fake nap company. They probably even take your beer. You end up in jail with no money, no donuts, and stuck eating that awful prison food. It's the ultimate. So, money laundering ain't smart. It's a crime. Real finance, the finance way, is about working and saving, and maybe buying some stock in the Duff Brewery. Don't try to launder your money. Just wash your hands before dinner. Marge hates when I forget that. Invest today. So tomorrow, you can buy more donuts!